What's up, traders? Welcome to the Dip Traders channel. If it feels like I'm yelling at you, I apologize. It's just the waves. I was going to go surfing today, but nobody's out there, so it doesn't feel safe to go out there alone. I'm in Puerto Rico right now. I'm a digital nomad, and I felt like this was a great time to talk about consistency and profitability, really what got me to where I am today. I don't take huge size by any means, it's nothing crazy. It's not, 45K he made in one day. It was 1 hour trading. No, it's nothing like that, but it is profitability, it is consistency, and it's really important. Now, if you're here looking for educational videos, a strategy to trade the markets, well, you're in the right place. But I'd also recommend watching consistently profitable traders do their thing every day. So I'm talking people like Ross, people like Clay, Mir. In fact, I'm going to put their links to their channels in the description below, and I have no shame doing that because you know what? I want to help you become a better trader, and that's what this channel is about. I'm live every morning on Twitch, trading my strategy, so you can come check it out. And I know you're thinking, oh yeah, like what's your hidden agenda here? You're doing all this for free, very nice guy, right? I do have a website. It's at diptraders.net. Before I traded, I was actually a web developer. So I built these tools as I was crafting my strategy to kind of help me along the way. The main one is a momentum scanner, so it's going to find momentum stocks. Like I said, at first, I was just using the scanner myself. Now we have hundreds of users who rely on it every day, so it's pretty cool. If you want to check that out, again, it's diptraders.net. Now, without further ado, we can get into the rest of the video. We're going to take a look at my trader view and just some of my numbers over the past year, year and a half, and I'll even show you my broker statements just so everything's out in the open. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take a look at my trader view. Now, trader view is the application that I use to track all my trades and get statistics around my trades. In this case, I'm up around $10,000 on the year, and you can see my results by month. However, what we're going to do is go up here and type in scalp, because this is the strategy that I teach mostly on this YouTube channel. This is my scalping strategy, and these are my scalping strategy results. Some of the other results are from my Thinkorswim account, which I use to place options trades. My scalping is mainly done through Tradestation. Now, as you can see here, I had a couple down months. I also was in Ecuador for these 3 months, and so I think my orders were a little delayed getting to the exchange servers, and when you're trading on such a low time frame, those executions need to happen instantaneously. So I was struggling to get fills on some of the crazier movers. So one of my favorite things about this strategy is the number of trades that you get to take. I have taken this year 7,232 trades. So there's a couple things about that I like. One, trading's fun. We all want to get in there. We want to get our hands dirty. We want to make a bunch of trades, right? That's why we're here. Two, you get to take profit early in this strategy. As soon as the move happens, you get to take profit. You don't have to think about, oh, should I sell here? And feel that emotion of, oh, if it comes down to my break-even price, then I'm going to miss out on all this profit. No, as soon as you see profit, you get to take it. Lastly, because of the pure quantity of trades taken, we get statistically significant data much more quickly than if you were swing trading and only taking 1 to 3 trades a day. Another great perk to the strategy is the fact that we can trade it in all types of markets. As long as the market is moving, we can use this strategy to make profit. So here's an example of my winning days versus my losing days. 70% of my days are winning days. So I've had 200 winning days versus 84 losing days. My winning days tend to be much larger than my losing days, almost 2x. So my winning days are $74 versus my losing days are around $47. Now you can see that during the more volatile periods, I was generally averaging about 5 losing days a month. In January, we only had 2. February, we had 3. We had a bit more in March, about 8 losing days, I think, there. 4 in April, 5 in May. So you can see the numbers as I scroll through here. And then in general, I think those win versus loss days were a little skewed more to the losing side because of these slower months / the months that I was in Ecuador, which we're still unsure of how much that had to do with it. So that was August, September, and October. So you might be saying to yourself, why should I trade this strategy? You've only made $10,000 this year. And to that I would say, well, one, I was taking very small size as I was testing this strategy throughout the year. Now that I've proven to myself that this strategy works and it is profitable over the long term throughout a full market year, now I'm starting to scale it up. So if I go over
to my recent results, you can see that my recent days are much larger than those days in the past. We've had a bunch of really nice days. So as I begin to scale up this strategy over the next few months, which you're going to get to see and watch with me live on this YouTube channel, I'm expecting to do at least $4,000 a month. At least that's the goal. And I think there's a lot more room beyond that as well. I think if $4,000 goes well, we could scale this up to $8,000 and even beyond. Now, this isn't the only strategy that you can trade in the markets. The scanners will tell you when stocks are in play for this strategy. So when there's nothing moving for this strategy, you can look for swings and other opportunities. It doesn't just have to be this one strategy. Okay, and just for total transparency, here are my Tradestation broker statements. So I'm going to go through these. I think there's like 12 months of these. This is October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October. I don't think November was ready yet, but I can always post that one in the future. So that's it, guys. And remember, there's no one right way to day trade. There are so many strategies out there. There's so many great YouTube channels. I've linked a few in the description below. So go out there and absorb as much content as you can. But remember to do it from consistently profitable traders who are proven. So if you want to follow me on this journey as I scale up this strategy, you want to learn more about this strategy, subscribe below so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And as always, good luck out there, and we'll see you in the next video.